What's going on YouTube? It's your man James back with a new video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S23 FE. Let's get it. Now I picked this up online about a week ago. I picked it up at $399, and I'm going to be perfectly honest with y'all. At $399, I fully expect to feel like this phone is a steal. Let's go ahead and power it up. Check out that display. Whoo! Man, check out that display. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my information and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. You got wireless charge, you got reverse wireless charge, you got Samsung Dex, man. Hold up, man. I don't think I understood what I was getting into when I got this phone. I can tell you right now, after a couple of minutes, y'all, this is a certified flagship phone. Now, I can't compare it head to head with the Galaxy S23 Ultra because I'm actually shooting with the S23. Matter of fact, let me do a little wipe down real quick. I'm gonna slap it in the case. Once again, I got a Unicorn Beetle Pro for this phone. I can tell you right now that the fingerprint reader is not gonna work with this case. I can tell you right now, I also got smudges all over it already. But yeah, I can tell you right now, the fingerprint reader is not gonna work with this phone. Not a huge deal to me. Why? Live video struggles. Here we go. Wait 1 minute. Here we go. Why isn't it a big deal about a fingerprint reader? I'm gonna show you right now. Now, granted, I'm over here behind all these lights and shit, but look at the face unlock, right? Look at the face unlock. So I'm looking away. I'm gonna look down. Boom. I mean, with a face unlock like that, I'm a fan. Now, oh shit, did it work? Holy shit. Or it could just be the face unlock. That's crazy. Okay. I've been fooling with this for a minute. I ain't been able to get it to work. I do think after playing around with it for a little bit, I do think the phone might have actually been worth the $599. But what I am saying is, for $399, this is a go, man. I mean, the face unlock is crazy. And actually, let's move this out the way. Let's lay these all here on the table real quick. This is damn near a big body phone, y'all. And let me show you what I mean. This the V60 right here. This the S23 FE. It's not a massive phone, but we're getting close to the territory of big body phone with a wider dimension than, say, the OnePlus 10 Pro. I want a phone where I feel like I can really enjoy consuming media. We got an official look at the S24 Ultra. Let me go ahead and say that to my watch later real quick. But yeah, when it comes to daily in this phone, I can tell you right now, I'm gonna have a great experience with this phone because not only what I'm coming from, but also my expectations. Now, we got the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1, just like we got in the OnePlus 10 Pro. I feel like this chip is gonna be better optimized for Samsung than it would have ever been for OnePlus. And I'm gonna enjoy using this phone. Now, when I say I'm reviewing a phone, when I'm coming back with a long term, with an in-depth review, I'm putting my SIM card in that thing. We daily driving this thing. That's how I roll when it comes to reporting back information. I'm only coming with the facts. I'm only coming with my day-to-day experience on the phone. When I use the phone, I'm gonna daily drive it, and I'm gonna compare this phone to my experiences with other phones. And I can tell you, after using the phone for a little bit, it almost reminds me of a Galaxy S23 Ultra Lite. You know what I mean? And I know we've got the S23 Plus and the S23. And I can tell you right now, those phones are basically DOA when it comes to the S23 FE at that $399 price point. Let me make sure we're getting an image of the build quality on multiple cameras. Look at the display, okay? Look at the display. The phone literally feels like it's built like a tank. When I say a phone is built like a tank, I mean that. Not only is the S23 FE built like a tank, but it's built to last. And I don't feel like after a few years of Android updates that the phone will be rendered useless. I feel like that phone will still be relevant. Ooh, I'm gonna have to edit all of this shit out. Okay. Whew. It's the one downside of getting the same case for all these phones is they kind of look the same from far away. So, and comparing it with the V60, look at the frames, right? When we look at the sides of the phone, look at the height, right? Look at the placement of the SIM tray and the microphone. Look at the USB. Look at the speaker grills. This is a flagship phone. And even though it doesn't necessarily come in the frame that I look for when I get a flagship phone for me, I have to admit, this is a flagship phone. Now, I'm gonna do a quick wipe down on this. And I know we got some V60 lovers out there. I do got some content coming on this phone, but yeah, I had a long love affair with this phone, and it's been a relief and a sad part of my life to finally put it in the phone tray. Now back to this S23 FE. I'm gonna slide it back into the case. I am really excited to do some work with these cameras. I've actually got a couple of ideas of some footage for these cameras, and I hope to be bringing that to y'all sometime on the channel soon. But let's try that. That face unlock is just crazy. Let's try that fingerprint again real quick. And see, that's what I was saying. I never expected the fingerprint to work. I did go ahead and set them up when I logged into the phone and put my information in, but I never expected that fingerprint reader to work. I'm shocked that it was working before. I will do my due diligence and do a quick wipe down on the front side of the screen protector. You know, just to say I did my due diligence, but what I do know is, whew, man, I gotta leave that in the video. Live video struggles, y'all. But we'll do this again. We'll go ahead, and then I want to make sure I got touch sensitivity on. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. That's on. I got it on the S20 Ultra. I'm sorry, the S23 Ultra. And then one thing I want to make sure that I get it. Put my password real quick. Check added fingerprints. Now, I feel every Android OS should have this feature. Check added fingerprints. Just remove all of my fingerprints, and we'll do add. I'm not moving the finger. Okay, I'll try moving the finger around a little bit. I'm gonna have to cover the camera. Fingerprint doesn't match. Are we getting that? Fingerprint doesn't match. And again, not the biggest deal in the world. You still got your pattern to fall back on. You got your PIN, got your alphanumeric code, but and of course, the maximum face unlock. But for me, geez, look at that face unlock. I'm really impressed with this product, and I'm looking forward to getting some more impressions on this phone for you guys. All right, that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all rocking with me today, man. Hope y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all on the next video. Later. Fire, boy, that's still blazing. Getting higher in the haze, it's amazing. I'm rolling like a tire upon the pavement, boy.